video, we're going to be working with tuples. So a tuple is basically a list of things, and you can manipulate the list. So here's an example of one. So A equals, and then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now this tuple, the reason why it's a tuple is because tuples can't be manipulated. They can be changed a little bit, but so for a prime example, in this list, say you wanted to print something. So if you did print and then A, obviously it'd print the whole tuple. But say you only want a particular number out of this tuple. Now, one thing I will bring up, and I know it could be kind of confusing working with numbers, but for this one placeholder, it's actually 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I would do, say, print, okay, and then A, okay, and then say you want to print, say, that first location, the 1, you have to do print. And you notice how we have the brackets here for printing A, but then you have to do these other brackets, the square brackets, but 0 is going to actually be your 1 position. Okay, now if I did, now say I did B equals, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then I do print, right? So we'll do print B, and then we'll do the 0 position, and then it would be 0. But you have to remember, it always starts with 0 and then 1. So you're always going to have these. So that's something to remember when you're working with tuples. Also, too, I mean, you could amend tuples and stuff like that. We'll do that in another video. But this is kind of just starting out, kind of showing you what you could do with tuples. Thank you very much. Again, you can check out all of my services at lapanytech.com.